Good morning, friends. I'm Pankaj Sharma. So today I'm going to show you how you can share only one sheet of Google Sheet with any other person, right? So here I have two sheets, like raw and one is dashboard. So I'm going to share only dashboard with some other person. So here go to file, then click on to the publish to the web. In publish to the web, here we have so many options. Okay, so one is entire document, like raw and dashboard. The whole spreadsheet will going to share with that person. Okay, so I'll not share the whole spreadsheet. I'm going to share only dashboard with the other person. So here we have one option more. One is web page and comma separated, like CSV, TSV and PDF. If click if the person who have this link, when he click on that link, so the file will going to download in PDF or TSV and CSV or XLS. So I'm going only share with that person the web page, like a web page here, right? So click on the publish, allow. Here we have the link. So just copy that link and open in incognito mode from the for the checking purpose, and then click enter. So here it is published. The whole spreadsheet will not showing on the same link, right? The publish dashboard or publish sheet only will allow to show that person in, or what we say, the simple in simple language, the dashboard will show only. So here if we can change something in this, so the changes will automatically apply in every 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to show that also. If I'll add one more row, so here it is, it will show. Just a moment. Okay, so in this it automatically updated. If you can refresh, it automatically refresh the data. Wait a minute, it is updating. It is the best tool to share your sheet with anyone if you want to show the data only, right? You can't download, you can't print anything. Just a minute. It is updating. It takes 5 minutes to update your data. So here it is updated. So it is totally live, right? If you update here something, so it automatically update there also. Okay, so you can share any file anywhere with anyone with your full privacy. Okay, so let's try this. Thanks.